Hey there viewer, today we're going to go through the Quick Start Process Builder project. It's about triggering a field update when a related record is edited. No code required. You can find it through trailhead.salesforce.com. Just search for Quick Start Process Builder in the search bar. Now let's get started. Create a new process on the account object. Introduction. Process Builder is a workflow tool that helps automate business processes without writing a single line of code. For example, imagine that a company you do business with, which we call an account in Salesforce, changes its location. You would want a way to automatically update the business process of all the people that work at that company, your contacts. In this quick start, you will do exactly that. Create a new process that updates contact records whenever the account billing address changes. As you will see, it's quite easy and doesn't require a shred of code. So let's launch a playground. Create a new process on the account object. You first create a process and then select the object on which the process runs. You also make sure the process kicks off whenever a record is edited, because you're going to change the business address in a moment. Click the gear and select Setup. Setup, enter Builder in the Quick Find box and select Process Builder. Click New for the process name type contact address change. Welcome to the Process Builder. Restart the Process Builder. You can easily automate everything from daily tasks like approvals and follow-up emails to more complex processes like order renewals and new hire onboarding. Click New above to get started. Click plus add object. In the right window, select account from the drop-down list. For start the process, select when a record is created or edited. Count. And then we save it. Very first step. Tackle the next step. Add process criteria. You now define the criteria that determines when this process runs. Click Add Criteria for criteria name, type, address change. For criteria for execution, keep it set to conditions are met. Set filter conditions, click Find a field, select Billing Street and click Choose. Set operator to is changed and value to is true. For conditions, keep it set to all the conditions are met. In plain language, this means run this process when the billing street changes. Add your process action. Create an action. At this point, you have defined a process and told it when to fire, but you haven't told it what to do. In this step, you define what happens when the billing street changes. Under the Immediate Actions box, click Add Actions. Action type. Update records. Action name. Update contact addresses. For record type, click the radio button next to select the record related to the account. Then scroll down and select Contacts and click Choose. This is pretty powerful stuff, so pause and take a note. Process Builder allows you to choose not just fields on accounts, but fields that are related to accounts. For criteria for updating records, keep it set to no criteria, just update the records. Under Set New Field Values, for the records you update, click Find a Field and then scroll down and select Mailing Street. Select Field Reference for the type. Find value, select Billing Street as the account field and click Choose. Click Save, click Activate and then Confirm. Some important things to note before you move on. This task adds only one action, but you could add multiple actions for one criteria. Did you notice that accounts have fields called Billing Street, but contacts have a field called Mailing Street? That's okay, it's a different field name, but you will use the same value. Once a process is activated, it cannot be edited. If you need to make edits to an activated process, follow these steps. Clone the process as a version of the current process, make changes to the clone process, activate the new version. I forgot to activate it. Oh, but it's verified anyway. Test your process. Check the process. If everything works correctly, whenever an account has a change of address, the address change is made for everyone who works for that company. Let's test that. Click Recently Viewed and select all contacts from the list and click Timber. On Timbar's contact records, click Details. On Timbar's detail page, note the mailing address and account name. Click the account name Grand Hotels and Resorts Limited. This opens the account for Grand Hotels and Resorts Limited. On the Grand Hotels and Resorts Limited account records, click Details, click Edit, change the billing street and click Save. Scroll down to the contacts and click Timber, click Details again. On his page details, notice that his mailing address has been updated. Let's see if that actually worked. Open this again, because I think it's still cached. Yes, it worked. Summary: congratulations, with just a few clicks you have created a business process to update child records and keep your data clean and accurate. Experiment with adding more criteria or actions to broaden the functionality. Seems this was already it. We got the badge. I hope it was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have any positive or negative feedback for me, just type it in the comment box below. Thank you so much for watching again, and have a good day.